How to recover deleted photos on Android devices. Do you want to restore deleted pictures from Android phone? If you have accidentally deleted photos from your mobile phone and asking how can I recover permanently deleted photos from Android phone? The permanently deleted photos recovered by using photo recovery application or undelete photos Android. In this video, I will show you 2 methods to recover deleted photos and videos on Android phones. So let's get started. Method 1. Android Recycle Bin. Most Android phones have a hidden recycle bin for deleted photos and videos. Here is how to access and recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin in Android phones, like Samsung Galaxy and Redmi phones. Firstly, tap on Gallery. On the bottom right corner, tap on the 3 option. From the drop-down menu, tap Recycle Bin and turn it on. Now you will see all your recently deleted photos and videos here. Deleted items will stay in the recycle bin for 30 days before they are deleted forever. To recover deleted photos or videos, select Photos or Videos and tap on the Restore option. Now you will find the deleted photos and videos have been restored to the phone gallery again. So this is how to recover deleted photos from Android phone recycle bin. Method 2. Using Photo Recovery app. There are several apps that claim to recover deleted pictures on Android smartphones. Here is one of the best Android photo recovery. Go to Play Store. Now search for Disk Digger Photo Recovery on a non-rooted device. Disk Digger is limited to recovering images from your thumbnail caches, which means that the images will likely be of a lower quality than the original photos or videos. Recovering the full resolution original versions of the photos or videos is only possible by rooting your device and getting the pro version of the app. If Disk Digger couldn't find your photos, simply go to the settings and unchecking the minimum file size factor. This will reveal your deleted pictures. So this is the easy way to recover deleted photos on Android devices. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends.